Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage the privacy settings in the Booking.com application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will find your profile. Press on it, and here in this page you should scroll down a little bit, and in the settings and legal section you will find the settings option. Press on it, and here if you scroll down a little bit in the about section you will find the third option, which is manage privacy settings. And here you can see that there are three types of privacy settings. The first one is the functional cookies, the second is the analytical cookies, and the third one is the marketing cookies. Now you cannot disable the functional cookies, but you can disable the analytical and the marketing cookies if you want to. And once you're done with setting these, you can just press save and continue, and your changes will be saved. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.